so excited that we are doing, there's 9 of us total, a color collab. So you want to hear more? I have it all written down. So my name is Robin. This is my closet. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like the video and like the content. Tap the bell button so you get notified of all my videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for being loyal to my channel. So this color collab, what you do is you give a color that you like. So for example, I picked ocean blue. So the person that got me had to buy, I think we $35 worth of ocean blue products. And the collab was with, I'm like hearing a telephone. There's nobody home. In this collab is Vicky from Vicky Week, Carrie from Carrie's Nest, Sheila from Having Fun with Fashion Over 50, Crystal, Beautiful Salon and Spa, Rena from Boxes and Deals, Desi from Desi's Corner, and Nikki from Southern Mom, and last, Tiffany from PK Mom's Life. So I will have a link to go to all their videos to check it out. So Rena from Boxes and Deals put this together, and she is obviously a very organized person. She sent everybody what their color means. So my ocean blue means nature, stable life, calmness, richness, clarity, rejuvenation, loyalty, strength, trust, and wisdom. So how cool is that to know what your colors? So the person that bought from me is Carrie from Carrie's Nest. And you want to see who I bought for? Wait to the end of the video. So I'm so excited. I got the box and I haven't opened it. I haven't cheated. And I just thought this was just a totally fun collab. So she said she couldn't fit everything into one box, so she sent me 2. So this is the first box. So excited. And leave me a comment with what your favorite color is. And I'm sure somebody in our list has already picked that, so you can find out what it means as well. Look at how cute she wrapped these. And she's just such a sweetheart. And sometimes she does her videos with her daughter. So I just love those types of videos. And she's got a cactus on there. How cute is that? I can't stand Ling. What is it? Oh, let's start over. Take 2. She says, I can't stand laying a cooking utensil down on the stove or counter. So when I started using mine, I love them. I hope you enjoy them as I did. So it's blue. I love the feeling of these. I have a couple in these. So this is my thing, and it looks like it goes on the side of the pan. Okay, I am the person who doesn't cook. I do reservations. I do takeout, quite a few drive-throughs. Anything I can do to get out of cooking. So I do appreciate a good cooking utensil for that occasional time that I have to cook. So I am just loving this. So she must have sent me 2. Oh, so cute. There's this one and this one. Hope she sent me a recipe book. Okay. So that's the first part. And then she sent me, I can't get this thing off of me. Happy New Year. Okay then. This box weighs a ton. I'm so excited. I could do collabs all the time because they beat the beauty boxes like crazy. And she sent me a card. And it's blue. Ooh. Hi Robin, I had so much fun finding items in ocean blue for you. The items that aren't wrapped are just a few fun extra items I found to include last minute. I hope you enjoy everything. I hope you don't mind my reusing a box. I try to reuse and recycle. Hugs, Carrie. I reuse boxes all the time. This box, okay. Hello. It's just so full. I'm dropping things. I'll be right back. No. This is a pore refining mask. Hydrogel face mask with aloe vera and tea tree. Look what color it is. It's a blue mask. Okay, that's just way cool. So I now have my first blue mask. The next thing, oh my God, she just did a great job. It's a 2020 planner with pineapples. And I use actually two planners. I have one for, I'm trying to get organized this year, and I have one just for my YouTube channel with all the different boxes and stuff like that. And then I have one for my daily stuff. And I got the one and I didn't like it. It's hard to use, it's hard to open, not a lot of room to write everything. So this is perfect. She must have read my mind. So this is the calendar in blue. I have to go do the mask. And this thing, it's very heavy. I'm thinking maybe coasters. Oh. How beautiful. So they are naturally absorbent coasters, and there's two of them. These are beautiful. Boy, Carrie, you just kind of knocked it out of the park already. Got another little cactus sticker. And this one says, I had to add a yummy treat, and these truffles are one of my favorites that I like to hide from everyone in my house. Laughing out loud. They are so creamy, silky, and delicious. Does she not know that I'm going to open these and eat them now? Okay, I have never met this girl, but she has becoming my best friend. And they're in blue. Wow. And the next are a pair of socks. And I can never have, these are nicer like slipper socks, so I can wear these at night. And we're still watching The Grimm. We started that series, and it's 6 seasons, and we're on the last season. So these will be good for when I watch The Grimm. See another cactus note. To go with your new wax warmer, must be a wax warmer. I picked these two wax melts that I love and use in my own home. They smell so delicious. Oh, I'm like so excited. And, oh, they smell. This one's Blueberry Crisp and Paradise Punch. And they're blue. Now this is a true ocean blue. Oh my goodness, I'm running out of room. And another cactus note. One of my favorite things to have in my house is my wax warmer. And I love to find pretty ones, so this was fun for me to find in your color. Carrie, love you. How beautiful is that? This will be going, as I'm doing my blue mask, I will put this in my new wax warmers in my bathroom. Okay. Oh. Blue M&Ms. Where do you find blue M&Ms? 190 calories per pack. Hazelnut spread. Wow. And I think I'm on the last item. And her little innards, they're all blue. I don't want to get them all over and leave my trail. I adore fun and pretty brush sets. So when I saw this with the blue in it, I knew I had to get them and had to refrain from getting myself a set too. I know, isn't that the worst? You go to buy something for somebody and then you have to buy one. Oh! Are these not the best? Let me see if I can turn them around. There's the back in blue. Oh my God. This was so great. And does it have the little thing in it? And it has a little pouch in it. But that is like the prettiest blue. So I got this. I got my warmer. I got my wax melts. And I have a mess going on here. And my spoons. And my no-share candy. This cracks me up. And my coasters. My notebook. And the favorite thing in the whole box is my blue mat, my warm socks, and then my favorite mask. So Carrie, you did an outstanding job. You can pick me all the time and we can switch boxes. She did awesome. So the person that I sent my box to was Sheila. Her link will be below. And her color was red. I had a lot of fun with it. It was a little difficult because it was around Christmas time, Valentine's, so there was a lot of red out there, but I didn't want to send her holiday stuff, but you'll have to check out her channel and see. So as always, thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.